how to stand differently in organization. So let's get started. So guys, how to stand out differently in your present organization, or even if you are a student or fresher, how you can stand out differently. With millions of resumes being sent out every year, it can be tough to stand out from the crowd. Extracurricular activities are the perfect way to differentiate yourself with other prospective job candidates and colleagues at workplace. They are tangible ways to show the soft skills you have and will be able to implement on a daily basis once you land the job or working as a professional. It could be the key to getting the job or growing in an organization. These are activities that are outside of your general studies or work. Typically, something that you are passionate about. And no, we don't mean just evening at the Union Bar. We are talking about event and activities where you gain, use, develop skills that make you a perfect fit in the organization. There is a wide range of extracurricular activity you can take part, like sports, society, volunteering, mentoring somebody, or funding raise, or representing something, or shows, or performance, or event management. There are a lot of activities out there where you can participate and showcase your skills. Guys, I have a little announcement for you. Are you preparing for GATE and ESE? Then there's a great news for you. If you want to crack GATE and ESE with India's largest learning platform, then you can get the subscription with 10% discount by Unacademy. I'll provide all the links in the description. You can go ahead and check it out. So whatever subscription you are taking up, whether it is a duration of 12 months, 18 months or 24 months, if you are applying the coupon code TEL10, then you can get directly 10% off on the subscription. In addition to that, there is a chance to win up to 100% scholarship. How? By the Unacademy Combat, the ultimate scholarship test for GATE and ESE. If you are participating in that, then you get a chance to win up to 100%. And you know what? 15% guaranteed discount on participation. So the date is 14th of November, 11 a.m. You can enroll now for free if you are using the invite code TEL10. This is going to be a live test. There will be 20 questions, 60 minutes. And on leadership board, you can get to know your rank after every comment. And guess what? If you are subscribing to 3 months of Unacademy GATE and ESE Plus, you can get extra 1 month on it. You can see on the screen, all details are there. And also you can check out the description box to know it in more detail. Involvement in each of these activities will help you to develop the soft skills which are crucial to succeed in the business world. Beyond book knowledge, these are the skills that employees are looking for you to bring into the workplace. Take example of the role and skills that you can gain from being a society committee. Suppose you have to hold a very treasurer position. It would show that you are a logical thinker and have an acute attention to detail. Suppose if you were a coordinator in extracurricular activities, you would likely to able to manage time, stay organized and be creative. These are all things that employer look for in candidate, but go unrecognized when you only list your computer science degree on your resume. So what you learned today? Try to be participative in extracurriculum to grow faster in any organization. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was helpful for you, don't forget to press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.